Hey guys, today I wanted to show you how to download Archicad and install Archicad using the student education version. So the first thing we want to do is type in Archicad education. Then what we want to do, come to this first link, click on it, which takes us through into here. Now, if you've already got a license, you can actually just log in. But what we want to do, we want to register and download. So I'm going to click on that register and download. Once we're in that, we want to add our email address in. I've already started to fill out some of this stuff, so go ahead with all that. So we'll fill out this information here, and we'll drop down all these here. And we just, okay, once we've gone through that there, then we need to upload our student card on it. So you need to take a photocopy of that, and then you need to put in your student ID. Will be good, and then we'll submit that information by clicking on it. Okay, submitted your student ID. What you then want to do is you'll have to verify with the login details. And what we can then do, once you're verified, which might take 24 hours to 2 days to verify, we can come back and log in. So we'll just come back to the same spot and we'll just log into the account here. We'll need this password here once we've downloaded Archicad. What we can then do, we'll go across into Archicad. Then what we have to do, we have to activate license code, education license, and then you're going to type in your username. You're going to copy out the code, paste it in, activate, and restart. And we should be able to start Archicad now with a new file.